morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. It's Monday the 29th of September, and after the fireworks of the Ryder Cup over the weekend, we have more fireworks in precious metal markets. Gold is through $3,800 an ounce. Silver is at 46.7 at the moment, but has gone through $47 an ounce this morning, so it's setting up to be a pretty exciting week for the miners. But in terms of today's news, Paul, what have we got?
Well, we had some interesting news out here from our VSA client and Helium Explorer, Pulsar Helium. They did release a pre-feasibility study, which had been done on a helium and geothermal project, offsetting one of the small towns in Greenland. This study is showing some promise here, with estimated reservoir temperatures between 80 and 130 degrees C. And the helium content could go, or as far as potential production rates, could go as high as 350,000 cubic feet a day in this study. Now, it does have to be yet confirmed as far as flow rates and so forth, and that would be part of a DFS study, that sort of thing. And a geothermal power plant to be utilized for the town, which is also getting a airport on investment by the Danish government. The geothermal power plant estimate would be something under $30 million, and helium would be produced as a byproduct of that production facility. So it looks pretty interesting here at this point. The license upon which Pulsar has this ground will last for decades here. That has been issued, so they got plenty of time to assess this thing.
Pulsar building some momentum across the portfolio. We had the flow test from Jetstream the other week, which looked very strong, and now feasibility study coming through. So good progress and good momentum for Pulsar. There's also an update from Mkango today, Paul.
Yes, that's right. Mkango, the dual-quoted rare earths magnet processor, as well as explorer for carbonatite-hosted mineralization in Malawi. They have received a commitment from the USA IDFC for funding for Songwe Hill, or for the subsidiary that controls the exploration on Songwe Hill, Lancaster Exploration, $4.6 million in reimbursable funding as part of the DFE's development strategy. And further funding would be at the discretion of DFC, contingent on completion of a feed engineering study for Songwe Hill, a current feed study. Also, Lancaster Exploration subsidiary will be renamed as Mkango Rare Earths Limited, as in conjunction with this commitment as well. So making further progress on the mine itself, or the deposit itself in Malawi.
Excellent. Anything else, Paul?
That does it for me today.
All right. We'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for your thoughts.
Very good. Thanks.
This podcast has been produced and edited by VSA Capital. It is intended for information purposes and not as investment advice. The information is intended for recipients who understand the risks associated with equity investments in smaller companies. Please do your own research and do not rely on a single source when making an investment decision. VSA Capital may derive fees from this content and seeks to do business with the companies mentioned.